Today we are going to test the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator. We are going to make an expert advisor using one of the most common Ichimoku strategies. Then we backtest it for 1 year to see how well this indicator performs. Let's get started. Welcome to the Trading Programmer. First, we start a sell trade when Tankan-sen crosses Kijun-sen in a downward direction while the price is below the Ichimoku cloud. We start a buy trade when Tankan-sen crosses Kijun-sen in an upward direction while the price is above the Ichimoku cloud. We use take profit and stop loss to close our trades. Let's write the codes and see how this strategy turns out. We try this EA and Euro US dollar 1 hour chart with $1,000. We optimize our values for 5 years, from 2014 to 2019. Then we use those optimized values to trade from 2019 to 2020. These are the optimized values for the 5-year period. Now let's see the results for a 1-year period. Now you can decide how good this Ichimoku strategy is. We are going to make expert advisors with 2 indicators in our next series. Check out our RSI EA and MAC DEA videos. If you want to download this expert advisor, we will link it down below. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified about similar videos. Please leave a like to support the channel. Comment what indicator you want us to automate next. Thanks for watching.